We're going to start with the marker instead of starting with the pencil. I'm just going to use my marker to set things up. I'm mapping out the figure, looking at my reference, but really not that much in detail. I'm trying to let the marker help me work out proportion and where everything is. And I don't really need too much detail for this. I'm just using marker as a tone. I'm squinting a little bit so I can maybe see the areas that I want to capture. Now I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to try and define this. I don't necessarily have to follow my marker blindly, and if I see that something is not working out, I can just change it. But the marker is giving me a good starting point, so I know that my figure will fit. And I can have as much or as little detail here as I wish. And we can always go back between the pencil and the marker. I can use my marker now a little bit more to add some additional shading or details. I can add a texture, I can think about fabrication, I can even blend my pencil with the marker. And between the pencil and the marker, you can add as much detail as you feel comfortable with.